Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser on any device and just go to roblox.com. Once you are on this page on home page of Roblox, just need to click on this menu button over here. Click on it and go to start. Once you're here guys, just go to accessories and go to face accessories. In the face accessories guys, if you want to wear multiple face accessories or more than one accessories, you just need to right click on a new accessories and just copy the link address, open a new tab, paste the link over here, paste the link over here, or you can right click on it to paste it and just select the asset ID as you can see and right click on it and just copy. And once you copy, just go back to the start page and just click on this advanced link over here and just paste your asset ID over here. Just paste your asset ID over here in the blank and just click on save and save again. Here both accessories will be saved, and that's how you can select multiple accessories. If you have multiple accessories, you can follow the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel.